Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Begin by preparing a lightly enriched dough so layers can form and remain distinct. Measure precisely for consistency. Use 260 g flour, 5 g salt, 8 g sugar, 6 g yeast, 150 ml water, 20 ml milk. Mix briefly until cohesive, then rest 20 minutes. While dough rests, make a 250 g butter block chilled to 5 degrees C, using cold butter and light pounding to produce an even rectangle. Keep dough hydration around 55% to 60% for layering. Too wet will fuse layers, too dry will crack during rolling and baking. Roll the rested dough to a 20 cm by 30 cm rectangle on a lightly floured surface for the initial encasing. Roll dough to 20 cm by 30 cm, place 250 g butter block in center, fold edges to fully seal butter inside. Use a bench scraper and gentle pressure to avoid rupturing the butter. Perform 3 single turns with 20 to 30 minutes rest between turns to develop 8 distinct layers. Keep dough chilled to 8 degrees C between turns to maintain butter solidity and produce clean, flaky separation. After final rest, roll the laminated dough to 4 mm thickness and shape to create maximum lift in the oven. Cut rounds 10 cm across, dock centers lightly to allow steam pockets while leaving the outer rim intact for puffing. Chill shaped pieces 15 minutes to relax gluten and firm butter before baking. Bake at 230 degrees C with steam for first 8 minutes, then vent and bake 6 to 8 more minutes until deep golden. Cool on a wire rack 10 minutes before serving to set layers and avoid sogginess.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.